everybody, this is the project we're going to do, and this is to help you draw the picture. A lot of us are not artists, can't draw anything. So the secret to that, or the trick that we use sometimes, is something called transfer paper. It's basically this paper that when you use a pencil and make dark marks on here, it's going to transfer on to your canvas. You're going to have an 8x10 canvas. You're going to take your transfer paper, make sure it's the dark side laying down on the canvas. Okay, you want that dark side to be down on the canvas because otherwise you're not going to make any marks. I just printed out my picture right off of Pinterest of the link you followed, and I also take this tape. It can be painter's tape or masking tape. I cut a couple small pieces, and what I want to do first is I want to take my painting and line it up with my canvas. Now you could cut the painting if it makes it easier for you, or the picture if it makes it easier. I then take this transfer paper, again with the dark side, I face it down, put it under here, in a way that it's not going to fall all over the place like it is right now. And the reason you use the tape is because once you start doing it, you don't want to move it. So I then take another piece of tape and I tape it under here, and then I'm ready to start drawing. I just use a pencil, and I'm going to go over every line that I see till I get the shape of the daisy, and I'm happy with that. Once I've taken off my transfer paper and my paper, I can look at my finished product here, and then I can add more lines if I need to. I can erase things, like here's some extra marks. I can just erase that with an eraser. It's very simple. I can make my bumblebee look a little bit more like a bumblebee. It's just a really nice way for you to get the shape and the size of what we're going to do before we actually do the painting. That's it.